sweet potato, and black bean burger recipe.
Who doesn't love a good burger? Soft on the inside, firm on the outside, so you can load it up with all the goodies. This recipe is adapted from Dr. Fuhrman's cookbook, the Eat to Live cookbook. We start with cashews and pecans, and we're going to throw them into the food processor. Don't overdo it, or you're going to have nut butter, which is actually not that bad either. Then we're going to chop some red onion. Add the drained black beans and sweet potato. The potato acts as the binder for everything to stick it together, with the bonus of adding a little bit of sweetness. Next, some lime juice, some dried cilantro, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, unfortified nutritional yeast, and finally some chopped jalapeno, but of course that is optional. Briefly pulse the mixture to just combine it, and we're ready to shape it into patties. We're going to use a little water to wet our hands, keep it from sticking to our hands too much. And we ended up with 8 nice sized patties. Now we're going to throw these into the oven. Look, these burgers are perfect. Can you tell somebody already ate one? Now to build the perfect delivery system, some beautiful crisp romaine lettuce, a slice of tomato. We chose yellow because it's just pretty, a dollop of salsa, and a smattering of arugula if you like. You could use cabbage as well. Isn't this gorgeous? So yummy too. We hope you give this recipe a try. We bet you can even fool your friends and family. Okay, maybe not, but I bet you they'll like it.
Yum! How did you like that? Now, I have another amazing couple of veggie burger recipes on my website. My baby wants some too, apparently. You can check those out at thewateringmouth.com. If you want this recipe for the black bean sweet potato burger, go to wateringmouth.com/cheatsheets. You can download that, sign up for the cheat sheets, and then you can get any kind of recipe that we have put out in the past on our YouTube videos, past, present, and future recipes as well. There's tons of them in there. So many great resources for you in there. Make sure you sign up for the cheat sheets. Then you can check out my website for the rest of those, okay? Let me know down in the comments below. Have you tried this recipe before? We adapted this from one that Dr. Fuhrman has put out in his Eat to Live cookbook. I just want to say this was obviously a Coach Nancy recipe because I would never put cilantro in anything. Do you love cilantro? Let me know down in the comments below. And do you have a veggie burger recipe that you cannot live without, or a way that you eat it? Maybe you put something on top of it that's special, whatever. Let us know down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you. Oh, forgot to mention, if you're interested in getting a 21-day challenge, we're gonna be doing another one of those really soon. So sign up for the wait list for that too at thewateringmouth.com/challenge. We'd love to see you. 21 days of recipes, meal plans, and grocery lists, and a bunch of other people doing it with you. So hope to see you in an upcoming challenge. Hope you love this recipe. Hear from me down in the comments below.
Oh, look at Mama's watch. Yeah.
My little baby wants me to stop making this video, so I'll see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye. Also,